Welcome to Connect Tech. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix your Capcut problems such as no network issues, no template showing, which VPN is best to use, and how to log in to use ProFX if you got this from external sources. Let's begin the video. In order to run this Capcut, if it is not available in your country, you need a VPN. I recommend you to install a good VPN which has a better speeds, which you must connect to the servers like New York cities like that proxies. I suggest you to download this application from Play Store, which is little faster than other ordinary VPNs out there. Also, you have to install another application name called TempMail, which generates a temporary emails in order to sign up. You can use your primary if you have a primary goal to share your templates or you have a purchase in it, and use this VPN. I just open the VPN and change the VPN server location. I suggest you to use UK or New York City or nearby which country you get the fastest speed. I just connected to the VPN right now. Now open the Capcut application and clear that application from the recent tab and open it, and it automatically refresh. If it doesn't refresh automatically, that means you are using VPN or your location does not connected to the Capcut server. So now here you can see no internet like that. It shows every time if you have a bad internet connection or the VPN speed is low. And in order to fix that, clear the tab from recent tab and open it and click it and wait for few seconds to load it and click that retrieve button and wait few more seconds, and now you can get that thing. You can use that things whatever you want. And how to use effects, filters, stickers, etc. without any restrictions in this application. I hope you just redirected here because I just did that thing. Sorry for that stuff what I did. In order to guide you, I just did this. So you must log in to use this app. Click Pro or any profile and select sign in with email and click sign up. Now use your primary or secondary or temp mail, whatever you want, it's up to you. If you want spam messages away, just click this temp mail for all the applications you using or something. Okay, let's do this. Just click continue. Enter the OTP which you got to the temp mail. Open it, copy it and paste it. Done. Now create password, select date of birth, something, continue and skip everything, and you're all set to free to use this application. And if you face any issues in this application, then please clear the app from the recent tab and open it. And if you're still facing network issue like that, try to refresh it by clicking it. And if you're still facing the same issue like that, then you have to change the VPN locations to the nearby VPN which the Capcut is available, so that you can run faster. I suggest you to use Express or Proton or the VPN which is mentioned here. So there is no annoying pop-ups to stop this application like what you facing previously. Now you can see I'm using Pro normal effects and export. Yeah, it's work. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do like, comment, and please check the description of this video. I just provided some links for the VPNs from Play Store and Tampmail too. Thank you. From To Next Tech.